Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this is first video, so I need all your support to grow this channel. So before getting to that, let me directly get into the step. The first one is we're gonna address an issue regarding how to fix Marvel driver is crashing at startup. It is not launching or won't launch, freezing, stuttering, lagging, low FPS drop, stuck on loading screen, and even many more issues which is happening for many of those right now on how we can fix this app. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to, before getting to the step, let's start with a simple restart. So to do a simple restart, we just need to go over here in the start icon, go over here in this particular one and do a restart. So once the restart is done, just try, because sometimes, a simple restart can fix a lot of issue. So that is why you can start with a simple restart. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to make sure one thing. Sometimes, most probably we'll be launching the game from Steam. So launching the game from Steam is sometimes an issue. So we need to launch the game from the installation folder. So to do this, just go over here in the file explorer, navigate to this PC, go to the installation folder, that is localist D. Now from here, go to Steam library, go to Steam apps, go to common. Now scroll down and navigate to Marvel rivals. Now from here, we have to scroll down and we have to navigate to, this is the installation that a Marvel rivals launcher. So we need to launch the game from here. So sometimes, launch the game from the installation folder will be working up. So you can try this. Third step is all about we need to run the game as an administrator, and also we need to run the game in the compatibility mode. So first we need to navigate to the installation folder. So we have a shortcut that just go to the game, right click and go to the properties, go over here in the installer file and just click on browse. And right now, as you can see that this PC, localist D, Steam library, Steam apps, common, Marvel rivals. Scroll down and navigate to Marvel rival launcher. So we just need to right click, go to the show more option, go to the properties, go for compatibility. And right now, first thing you just need to make sure that you have to select this one and you have to set this to Windows 7, go for apply and go for OK. Or you can set this to Windows 8, go for apply and go for OK. And afterwards, you can try run the game in the compatibility mode. So just do the same, just go to the compatibility. Make sure run this program as an administrator is checked. Go for apply and go for OK. And close this, go back, and we just need to try launch the game. And that's what we have to do. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to delete the saved game file. So just go to the file explorer. We just need to go over here in the documents. And if you find the folder for the game Marvel Rival, just delete the respective folder. And keep in mind, when you do this, you'll be losing all the progressions. So just close this and go back and try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to allow the game to Windows security. So just go over here and search for the control panel. Just click on this one. And we just need to go to system and security, go for Windows Defender Firewall, go for allow airport feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, we have to scroll down and navigate to Marvel Rivals. So keep scrolling down and navigate to Marvel Rivals. So just make sure that Marvel Rivals is selected, and this is, you have to make sure this is checked and this is also checked. So that's an important one. Once it is cross-checked, what we need to do is just move to the next step. And if you don't know how to, for example, if you're not able to find this, just click on the change setting, go for allow another app, go to the browse, navigate to this PC, go to localist D, go to Steam library, Steam apps, go to the common, scroll down and navigate to Marvel Rival, scroll down and select this one and go for open, and we have to enter. So you'll be getting the error. So once, because it is already added, that is why we're getting the error. So once the game is added, just close this and go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to unplug all the USB devices. So we might be connected with a lot of external devices, for example, joysticks or any other might be connected. So just remove everything. Once everything is removed, just try launch the game and that will be working fine. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to perform a clean boot. So just go over here and search for system configuration. Just select this one and go for services, go for disable or hide all Microsoft services, go for apply and go for OK. So if you find the system configuration, so just go for restart, and once the restart is done, just try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to disable the Steam overlay. So just go to the game, right click and go to the properties. And right now, as you can see, if it is there, just make sure you have to go over here to the general and enable the Steam overlay while in game. If it is turn it on, you have to turn this off and you have to try launch the game. And also if afterwards still if you're having the trouble, try giving commands at the launch option. That is, you have to start with BX11, you have to start with BX11, or you can start with BX12, or you can start with D3, D2. You can start with D3, D2, start with D3, D2. If D3, D2 is not working, close everything and try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to what we need to do is we just need to, after trying with this, close all the overlay application. So just go over here, right click and go to the task manager. And right now, as you can see, there are a lot of things running in the background. So there are actually 15 apps running in the background, and all these things actually running in the background. So simultaneously, when you try to launch the game, they're going to end up in crashing. So we just need to remove all the unwanted things. So just remove the end the task. We have to remove this one. Go over here and that begins launch, just remove it. And you can see there are a lot of things. You just remove all the unwanted things from here. And afterwards, just close this and go back and try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to increase the virtual memory. So just go over here, search for view advanced system setting. Just go to the advanced, go for settings, go for advanced and go for change. Make sure this is blank and you have to select the local disk. So right now in my case, the local disk is installed on D. I have to go for the custom size, set the value for initial size, and we have to set the value for maximum size. So initial size is 1.5 times the total RAM. So we just need to go over here, type a RAM that is 16 GB multiplied with 1024, and that brings you this value. That is 1.5. That brings you 24576. Copy this and we have to paste it. For the maximum size, type your RAM 16 GB multiplied with 1024 and we have to multiply it with 3. That brings you 14152. And we have to copy this value and we have to paste it. So once it has been done, just go for OK and set everything and we have to try launch the game. Next one is all about we need to update the graphics card, and before that we need to run the game as a we have to run the game with the best graphics card. So just go over here, search for the graphics settings, and we have to go over here. Now we need to add the game. Just click on add desktop app and you have to navigate to where the game is installed. That is D. Go to Steam library, Steam apps, which are common. Scroll down and navigate to Marvel Rival. So just select this one and scroll down and navigate to this one and go for add. So once it has been done, scroll down and navigate to the game, go to this option and change this to high performance. By default, this will be let Windows decide. Change this to high performance, and once it is being changed into high performance, just close this and go back and try launching the game. Next one is all about what we need to do is we just need to update the graphics card. So just go over here. So I'll be providing a link in the description. Over here you can see this is what you have to select on. This is for the NVIDIA users. So if you're on the GeForce, select GeForce. If you're on the GeForce series, you have to select it. So in my case, I am on GeForce 16 series, so I have to select this one. And for over here, I have to go over here, and if you have to select the what is here. So mine is GeForce GTX 1650. I have to select this one. If you're on Windows 11, select this one and go for this. Fine. And right now, what you need to do is just scroll down. You'll be getting a bunch of details over here. And from here, you have to, if this is the driver version as 566.36, and you have to December 10, 2024, which is around 732.88 MB. So just download this one. And if you're on the AMD, just go over here, select the graphics, and you have to select the graphics, and you have to go for search, and you have to select the graphics, and you have to select all the further details like which one is used. You have to go over here, and based on your system configuration, if you're on Windows 11, download this one, and if you're on Windows 10, you can download this one. Also try install Microsoft Visual C++, which even work for many users. So just go over here. So if the system is based on x64, download this one. If the system is based on x86, you have to download this one. And also don't forget to visit our website Games Era for more these kind of videos. We'll be updating a lot of things over here, so you can also cross check this. I'll be providing a link in the description so you can check this as well. And after trying with the stay, if you're having the trouble, we have two steps. One is we need to verify integrity of game file. So just right click, go to the properties, go for installed file, and just click on the verify integrity of game file. So what happens is this is going to take a lot of time. What happens is this is gonna take, this is gonna check every single files of a game, and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, this is even cause the issues that this one crashing and all this kind of issue will be popping up. So we just need to, what we need to do is we just need to fix this up. So we just need to wait this to get completed. So I'll be showing you a few more bunch of steps that can be done to fix the issue up. So once files are successfully validated, we just need to go over here, as you can see, and afterwards try launch the game. Last and the least step is all about, we just need to go over here, go to the manage, uninstall the game, and you have to reinstall it back. You should not be installing it back on the local disk D from which you already installed. You have to try either local disk C or you have to try local disk D. So these are the possible workaround, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.